Recap Show!
I'm James Bradley, the owner of Soundfix. We've got the Soundfix Lounge, which is a bar where we have live music and all other kinds of fun events. And Soundfix Records is a record store. We focus primarily on indie rock. We don't carry Bruce Springsteen and the Rolling Stones, but we have a nice selection of electronic music, hip-hop, soul, R&B, world music, jazz, avant-garde classical, and roots. We also carry a lot of music by local artists who are not signed to labels, who bring us their music. Well, what we're trying to offer people is the complete musical experience, where all the musicians and fans come together.